Hello everyone, my name is Amin Ali. I'm the founder and CEO of EduHomework.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the features and services that EduHomework.com offers to our schools and educators. So what is our mission here? We are dedicated to automate and streamline homework and assignments and to create an environment for extreme collaboration among the students. Our motto is not just teach, but teach and harvest. What does harvest mean here? It simply means that the students must produce something of value with the information that they learn. Who can use EduHomework.com? EduHomework.com is a flexible tool for any and all educators, and only for educators regardless of subject and grade. What we didn't want to do is to pigeonhole educators into a tool. We believe that teachers are artists, and we wanted to be a blank canvas and a transparent communication medium for the educators to express their creativity. Why is this important? Simply because change happens constantly based on new information and new methods of teaching. Today is Common Core. Tomorrow is something else. While change happens constantly, we wanted to be a stable communication medium between the teachers and the students. The list of features that EduHomework.com offers fall into two categories: tools to teach and tools to harvest. Let's take a look at those features. Because of our harvesting philosophy, we don't look at homework as typical homework. Rather, we look at it in terms of workflow, very similar to a real organization where something of value is expected as a result of a group of people doing something. EduHomework.com offers different types of workflow. The first one is concurrent workflow, which mimics what the teachers do today with copy machine, pen, and paper. For example, a teacher may photocopy 30 pages of homework assignment and pass them out to the class. The students go home and independently work on their own assignments. Once done, students return the assignments to the teacher for grading and feedback. The good news is that we have automated this process from A to Z. Teachers can do a lot more by mixing and matching different types of content for better and more engaged learning. Teachers can dynamically view students' work in progress and provide feedback as necessary. With our service, grading assignments has never been easier. Further, our service makes it very easy to get parents involved in homework by sending email and text notifications. Lastly, teachers are able to preload assignments weeks and months in advance. Folks, we offer a large number of features, but before I get into them, I want to talk about another workflow that EduHomework.com offers, which is called consecutive workflow. What is consecutive workflow? Consecutive workflow is a brand new workflow paradigm that is designed to maximize collaboration among the students. Consecutive workflow is when a student's assignment or homework depends on the outcome of the previous student's assignment. Here's how it works. Our service takes a roster of students, a begin date and an end date. The process then splits the time equally among the students and gives each one a window of opportunity in an orderly manner to contribute to an assignment. This process continues until the last student. Notice two things in the workflow. One, which is an important one, the teacher is out of the picture and has no involvement in the workflow other than setting up the initial parameters. Why is this important? Simply because of scale and manageability. Whether 10 students or 100, the teacher bears no burden of keeping track and managing the assignment. It's all automatic and hands-free. Our service does everything for the teacher, including authentication, notification, ordering, etc. Second, there's a definite path to collaboration. Without our service, imagine that 10, 20, or 50 students trying to collaborate with each other in the same assignment. Of course, that would be chaos, gridlock, and would never work. Notice that the workflow in the blue travels to the right, and collaboration in the consecutive workflow travels to the left. Now, this is a map that educators can easily monitor and get involved in if it's necessary. Whether concurrent or consecutive workflow, we provide a feature called Live Share, which gives the teachers the power to kickstart each individual's imagination by requiring the student to submit a unique contribution to an assignment. Live Share, if it's turned on by the teacher in the control panel, intensifies collaboration as the student is required to keep up as to what others are doing. If each student is required to submit a unique contribution, there is no fear of cheating by viewing and learning from other students. With LiveShare, educators can now assign a very generic instruction for an assignment. For example, here's a fun assignment. Class, for your homework, pick a U.S. president and write a 3 to 5 page report on his achievements during his presidency using EduHomework.com. Make sure you use LiveShare not to duplicate each other and presidents. Now, if this was a real assignment, in a class of 25, it would have a 100-page publication on 25 different presidents. Folks, notice I used the word publication. We just left behind the realm of homework and entered a new territory. This is what we mean by harvest in our mission statement. Now, instead of a research topic like presidency, let's kick it up a notch and harvest the imagination of the students, which is indeed the greatest asset in any classroom. Here's the concept in action. An assignment was given to the group of students about a fictional character named Sonia Hunter. Sonia Hunter is a spy girl that travels from city to city fighting for justice. Using EduHomework.com, each student completed a section of the story, each 7 to 10 pages long. Folks, from zero to full-blown publication in 10 days. In just a few clicks by the teacher and end of the assignment, our service assembles all the sections and creates a complete publication which can be viewed online on e-readers, or a hard copy can be ordered using print on demand. Our service takes care of tracking, analytics, versioning, and teachers are always in control. Each publication that is created is given a public or a private online profile based on the teacher's choosing. The profile page contains all parts of the publication from each student where others can read and vote on it. At this point, I want to invite you to read the Sonia Hunter story. You can find the public URL to the Sonia Hunter's profile page on our website. Who benefits from teaching and harvesting? 3 primary groups. First and foremost, the students, then parents, and our schools. EduHomework.com is there to preserve and solidify the students' thought process by publishing it, very much like a yearbook does with pictures. That thought process is very valuable to parents, friends, and family. Parents can purchase the publication through EduHomework.com, which is a wonderful means of raising money for our schools. Our service takes care of all the details such as print to order and payment processing. Folks, note that we are not selling cookies, chocolate, and gummy bears, which are the typical means of raising money in our schools today. We are doing something a lot more valuable and important. Whether concurrent or consecutive workflow, our service provides the capability to mark an assignment as time assignment. Once the student starts an assignment, he or she has a specific amount of time, in minutes, to finish the assignment. Time assignment is an important tool to eliminate distractions at home. With time assignments, we want to ensure that between the question number 1 and question number 2 in the same homework assignment, there won't be 2 hours of cartoons or 2 hours of video games. Furthermore, we want to have the students get used to time and time pressure. If done routinely at home, the students do better on exams in the classroom. EduHomework.com offers a complete set of analytic tools for understanding the impact of assignments to the students. Our service takes a snapshot of the work in progress by each student, and our proprietary algorithm examines each frame looking for patterns and abnormalities. We can quickly detect events such as copy and paste. Further, we can detect backtracking and graph the thought process for each student, and then superimpose each graph for a complete picture to answer the questions such as, was the assignment hard? Was it easy? Should the next one be harder or easier, etc.? Understand that not all the students are the same. Our service offers differentiated assignments capability where teachers are able to create an assignment for the class as a whole and then go in the control panel and change individual assignments for a single or group of students. All parameters such as assignment itself, due date, timing can be changed by the teacher. Our editor supports more than 50 different languages, including Arabic, which is right to left. So if you're teaching French or Spanish, your students can submit their work in a language that they are learning. If there's an English as a second language student in your class, you can change all the editor's options in his or her native language. This way, the technology is not being in the way of what's being taught. We also offer a full color drawing board that is both fun and easy to use. It is great for subjects such as math and art. We also offer a safe chat room that only teachers and students can join in. Folks, remember that all these options can be turned on and turned off. The editor is compliant with all the accessibility standards and screen readers and can be adjusted for harder vision by changing fonts and colors. We support all different types of mobile devices, some better than others as there are the variety of different mobile devices out there. But we are trying to basically cover all bases and offer our services uniformly across all platforms. We take the privacy of the students very seriously. Our services is designed to work with whatever comfortable level that students, parents, and teachers have when it comes to using the internet. EduHomework.com saves tremendous amount of paper by bringing assignments online. We should all give that copy machine a break. To end this presentation, our students need to survive the information wilderness. The graph on the left-hand side is the number of web pages on the internet today, which tops over 50 billion. They need to learn technology to survive this information wilderness. EduHomework.com makes that learning process very easy. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. I invite you to send us an email for a demo of all the stuff that I talked about today. Again, thank you so much and see you next time.